Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone supports eSIM and that you're signed into your Apple ID. This lets the device store the eSIM securely. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi so the eSIM profile downloads faster and won't use cellular data. Next, choose the activation path: a carrier eSIM QR code, the carrier's app, or carrier-to-carrier transfer. Start with the quickest. Scan a QR or open settings cellular adds cellular plan, because that initiates provisioning immediately. Once you've chosen a path, follow its exact steps. Scanning a carrier QR is fastest because it contains the SMDP plus address and activation code the iPhone needs. If you use the carrier app, grant it permission to add cellular plans. This prevents manual code entry and speeds provisioning. For transfers from another iPhone, keep both devices nearby, enable Bluetooth, and accept the transfer prompts. This is ideal when moving lines between your own devices and avoids contacting support. To finish, assign a label to the new eSIM in settings so you can choose it for calls or data, and pick which line is default. Make sure cellular data and data roaming settings match your plan, then restart the iPhone to solidify the profile. If activation fails, make sure you have the device IMEI and the carrier's activation code handy. Next, contact the carrier. Many issues stem from provisioning on their end, so they can push the profile or reset the activation remotely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.